Hello everyone, I hope you're still fine. We are still continuing with the 4 steps or 4 sentences of doing things. Right now we are going to talk about separating salt from sand. Separating salt from sand, you studied that in P5, in your primary 5, how to separate salt from sand. In case you have a baby at home and she or he mixes your salt with your sand, how do you separate the two? We are going to go through those 4 steps. Step number 1, you put it in a container. Put that mixture in a container, then you add water to the mixture. You put the mixture of salt and sand into the water, into a container, and then you add water. That's step 1. Then number 2, you have to stir the mixture. Since you have put water now, you have to stir thoroughly until the salt dissolves. You stir thoroughly. You stir until the salt dissolves. Then step 3, we filter the sand out of the salt solution. Filter the sand out of the salt solution. We are trying to separate the sand from the salt and the water. And then finally, step 4, since we are now remaining with the salt solution, what do we do with the salt solution? We evaporate the salt solution to dryness. Evaporate the salt solution to dryness. By so doing, you'll recover all your salt. I'm taking you through one more time. Step number 1, put the mixture in a container and then add water to it. Step 2 is you stir thoroughly, stir until the salt dissolves. Remember, the sand does not dissolve in water because it's not soluble. The salt dissolves because it's soluble. Then step 3 is we filter the sand out of the salt solution. Filter the sand out of the salt solution. Finally, step 4, evaporate the salt solution to dryness until you recover all your salt. Thank you for watching.